Okay, so the picture on the left was generated by Gemini Nano Banana Pro, and the picture on the right was created by the new model from ByteDance, which is Seedream 4.5. So this model actually shares some similarity to the Google's model. It is a model you can use to generate and edit a picture. It also supports 4K image generation, and also it is way faster than the previous model. And these are some examples that I created using Gemini Nano Banana Pro and also the Seedream 4.5. And as you can see, they look quite similar, and I personally think that Seedream 4.5 is inch closer to Gemini Nano Banana Pro, but I think Gemini is still a little better than this model. But still, there are some really cool features that you can access when you're creating a picture or modifying a picture using this new model. So let me show you how you can actually generate and edit photo using the Seedream 4.5 completely for free. So first, you can navigate to Dreamina.capcut.com, and you can join to this platform for free. And I think you have to use your CapCut or perhaps your TikTok account. I'm not so sure about that because these are actually made by the same company, which is ByteDance. Now after that, you can navigate to a menu called Create. And right here, you'll see some pictures that you probably have generated in the past. So yeah, here I'll see something or some pictures that I generated for this video. There you go. So we got some placeholders. And yeah, as you can see, it is actually not generating one picture at a time. It is generating 4. So later you can choose which one do you think looks the best. Anyway, to use the new model, you can describe your idea right here. In this case, I'm going to be using a prompt that I actually have used for this picture. So I'm creating a sort of phone wallpaper from above like this. It was created by Gemini Nano Banana Pro, and I want to see if Dreamina can achieve a similar looking picture. So let's go back to Dreamina, and I'm going to just paste the prompt right here. And here on AI agent, you want to switch to AI image, and you can choose, sorry about that, let me just click image 4.5. So that's the name of the model. It is image 4.5, even though the official name was Seedream 4.5. And after that, you can choose the aspect ratio of the picture. This is really cool. It is unlike in Gemini where you have to specify that in the prompt, but here you can choose the size of the picture using this nice interface. So that's really cool. Now I'm going to be using a square picture. And by the way, if you're subscribing to the paid version of Dreamina, then you can use the ultra resolution. But I cannot do it because, well, I'm still using the free version, but that's totally fine. And right now, when I'm recording this video, it is actually still accessible for free. I don't know how long they will keep this model for free. I think they're only doing this for promotional purposes. Eventually, they're going to charge you some credits if you want to create a picture using Seedream 4.5. But even that, this platform is quite generous. They are going to give you some credits every day, so you can at least use the platform without paying anything. Now, this is the prompt that I'm going to use. Let me just paste it. And after that, you can send the message. So just wait, and it will generate up to 4 pictures. So that's actually really cool. It can generate multiple pictures, unlike in Gemini where it is only able to generate 1 picture. Well, technically you can use Gemini Nano Banana, not the Pro version, to generate multiple pictures, up to 10 images per response. It is a topic that I have covered on my channel. You can check it out if you're interested. But for the Pro version, you can only generate 1 picture at a time. So that's a limitation that, at least in my opinion, the quality of the image is still the best compared to other models from big AI companies. So let me just go back to Dreamina, and hopefully we can see a picture. Okay, starting soon, about 1 minute's wait. Well, yeah, that's the downside of not paying for this platform. It is going to be a bit taking a bit longer, but I think it is reaching almost 100%. So I don't think I have to pause this video. There you go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures, and yeah, I mean, they look decent. They're not bad, but I don't know which one looks the best. In my opinion, this one looks better, although you can argue that the other pictures are a lot better. But here I'm going to download this picture, and let's compare that with the version that has been generated by Gemini Nano Banana Pro. Okay, let me just open this and I'm going to compare a picture, and there you go. So what do you think? Which one do you think looks the best? In my opinion, I think Gemini Nano Banana Pro is still the best, but you know, if you are using a better prompting that is specified for this model, I think you can get something really close to Gemini Nano Banana Pro using Seedream 4.5. Now we have talked about the image creation. You can also use reference images to create a brand new scene using the model. So I'm going to go back to Dreamina, and basically I'm going to remove this, and let me just upload several pictures that I want to combine together into one logical scene. So you can click this plus button, and I have this picture of a woman and then some these items. I'm going to open them, and after that, I'm going to use this prompt. So I basically test this on Gemini, and basically I want Gemini to imagine these items in a logical situation. So this is the result that has been generated by Gemini. I think it is decent, although I was expecting the rocket to be much bigger, not a miniature model rocket. But overall, I would say the scene is quite logical. It is something that could appear in real life. So let me just close this, and let me just copy the prompt. And I'm going to modify the prompt a bit, which is the aspect ratio, because unlike in Gemini, you can set the aspect ratio directly in the user interface. Okay, I want 4:3, and okay, let me just send the message and let's see how it goes. Okay, so we got the results, and well, I think they look okay. I think the one that is very close to the composition of Gemini is this particular picture. So let me just download this, and I'm going to put it side by side by the one with the picture that has been created by Gemini. So let me just upload those pictures. Let me just drag and drop, and there you go. So this is Gemini Nano Banana Pro, and then this is ByteDance Seedream 4.5. Now, lastly, here I want to try to edit a photo using these models. So on Gemini, I guess I'll just do it on Gemini at the same time, and I want to modify this photo. So let me just tell Gemini to please remove the coconut tree and send a message. And let's do the same on Dreamina. So I think we were using this picture. And oh, you know what? I'm going to just upload those pictures manually, so it's going to be as authentic as possible. Okay, now I'm going to upload the picture. Oh, you know, yeah, let's use the same picture. So please remove the coconut tree, and aspect ratio will be the same. And let's send the message, and let's wait for the result. Alright, so it has finally removed the coconut tree from the picture. So everything looked great except for this last picture. Somehow it is changing the orientation. And I guess the first one is the one that I'm going to download, and I'm going to put it side by side with the version that has been modified by Gemini Nano Banana Pro. Okay, let me just wait for the download process to finish. And by the way, it is actually outputting 2K picture, just like the Gemini Nano Banana Pro when you are using it in the Gemini platform. Okay, let me just go to Gemini, and I'm going to just drag and drop that picture. And there it goes. So yeah, I think it is able to remove the coconut tree nicely. And yeah, I mean, I'm kind of wondering why there is this area with a lot of I don't know the name of this, but basically it's not exactly smooth sand, but I'm kind of wondering what was the original picture. Oh, okay. Well, it's actually much more faithful to the original picture. So in this case, even though it was a picture that has been created by Gemini, but Seedream, at least the editing feature, seems to be more faithful to the original image. So I guess that's 1 point for ByteDance. Anyway, that's basically how you can use the Seedream 4.5 model to generate, to reference images, and also to edit a photo completely for free, at least at the moment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.